Some products sit on Amazon for months. And then there are these, the kind of gadgets that suddenly explode, rack up thousands of reviews, and start going out of stock because people see them once and immediately get why they're worth it. Smart little tools that fix everyday annoyances in seconds and cost way less than the time they save you. These aren't random viral items. They're practical upgrades that people are adding to their carts without hesitation. The links are in the description. Like and subscribe, because once you see the first one, you'll understand why they're selling out so fast. Fresh whipped cream tastes completely different when you make it yourself. This professional aluminum whipped cream dispenser gives you that smooth, bakery-style finish at home. Whether you're topping desserts, finishing hot chocolate, or adding foam to your morning latte. Built for both home cooks and commercial use, it delivers reliable, consistent results when used with N2O chargers. The 500 milliliter capacity is perfect for preparing enough cream for gatherings without constant refills, and it keeps contents fresh in the refrigerator for days without leaking. It includes 5 stainless steel decorating tips, so you can create elegant swirls, detailed toppings, or simple smooth finishes depending on the look you want. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to its easy-to-disassemble design and included cleaning brush. If you enjoy elevating presentation as much as flavor, this tool adds that professional touch. You can bring it into your kitchen for $35.98. Great coffee at home is all about texture, and this rechargeable milk frother gives you full control over it. Instead of fixed buttons, it features a smooth dial that lets you adjust the speed gradually, so you can create light foam for lattes or thicker cream for cappuccinos without splashing. It builds rich, silky foam in about 15 seconds, turning everyday coffee into something that feels cafe level. The rechargeable battery lasts for months on a single charge, so you're not constantly swapping batteries. Just plug it in with the included USB-C cable, and you're ready again. Beyond coffee, it mixes protein powders, matcha, and hot chocolate effortlessly. The detachable whisk makes cleaning simple, and the stainless steel stand keeps it organized on your counter. If you want more control over your morning routine, you can get it for $27.53. A tidy pantry changes how your kitchen feels. These 1-quart glass storage jars keep cereals, cookies, nuts, coffee, and snacks visible and neatly sealed in one simple setup. The clear, round design lets you see exactly how much is left, so you're not guessing when it's time to refill. Each jar comes with a lid and silicone sealing ring that creates an airtight space, helping food stay fresher for longer without absorbing moisture. The wide mouth makes scooping easy, whether you're grabbing oats for breakfast or candy for guests. Their size works just as well outside the kitchen too, holding small bathroom items or office supplies. You can organize your space with this set for $22.94. Your setup shouldn't just look good when the screen is on. These Govee Smart LED light bars add depth, color, and movement behind your TV or monitor, turning any room into a more immersive space. Using RGBI CWW technology, they display multiple colors at once, creating smooth gradient effects instead of flat lighting. You can choose dynamic scene modes for gaming and movies, or design your own combinations inside the app. With the built-in microphone, the lights react in real time to music, dialogue, and game audio, adding a synchronized glow that feels alive. They connect over Wi-Fi and work with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can adjust brightness, colors, or power with simple voice commands. Installation is flexible too. Place them flat, upright, or mounted behind your screen for a clean backlight effect. If you want your desk or entertainment area to stand out, you can get this upgrade for $49.99. Great coffee and tea start with precise water temperature, and this Govee Smart Gooseneck Kettle gives you full control from your phone or with your voice. It connects through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, so you can schedule boiling, adjust temperature, or activate it remotely without standing in the kitchen. Inside the app, you can fine-tune the temperature anywhere between 104 and 212 degrees Fahrenheit, or use the built-in presets for different drinks. The Keep Warm function maintains your chosen temperature for up to 2 hours, so you're not reheating water again and again. With 1,200 watts of power, it heats 0.8 liters in just a few minutes. The balanced handle and slim gooseneck spout allow slow, steady pouring, perfect for pour-over coffee. Built with food-grade stainless steel and automatic shutoff protection, it blends safety with a clean matte finish. You can upgrade your brewing setup for $69.99. Flossing doesn't have to feel uncomfortable or rushed. The Aquasonic Icon Water Flosser uses a focused, ultrafine stream of water to clean between teeth and along the gum line, reaching areas traditional floss often misses. It's especially helpful for braces, tight spacing, or anyone wanting a deeper clean without irritation. With 3 irrigation modes, you can choose the pressure that feels right for your routine. The rechargeable lithium battery keeps it ready for daily use, and its cordless design makes it easy to move around the bathroom or pack for travel. The waterproof build adds convenience, whether you're using it at the sink or taking it on a trip. Finished in a sleek pink design, it adds a modern touch while upgrading your oral care routine. You can improve your daily dental care for $29.95. Long hours at your desk shouldn't mean neck strain. The Sounddance laptop stand lifts your screen to a more natural eye level and lets you fine-tune the angle for better posture. Its 360-degree rotating base makes it easy to share your screen during meetings or collaboration without awkward repositioning. Built from solid metal, it feels noticeably stable compared to lighter stands, reducing wobble while you type. The open, ventilated design improves airflow to help prevent overheating, especially during long work sessions. You can improve your desk setup for $24.99. Keeping rice and grains fresh shouldn't mean wrestling with bulky bags. This glass rice dispenser combines clean design with everyday practicality, holding up to 5 or 8 liters depending on the size you choose. The clear container lets you see exactly what's inside, while the bamboo lid with a food-grade sealing ring helps block moisture and dust. A built-in manual valve at the bottom allows you to release just the amount you need without lifting the lid, making cooking faster and less messy. The wooden crossbase keeps the container stable and adds a warm touch to your pantry or countertop. You can bring order to your kitchen for $71.89. A good drink deserves the perfect glass. This 4-piece whiskey set includes 2 classic 12-ounce glasses and 2 large round ice buckets, all in a gift box. The glasses are durable, dishwasher safe, and designed to maintain their clarity over time. The included ice buckets create slow-melting spheres that chill your drink without diluting it too quickly. They're easy to fill, stack neatly in the freezer, and are made of food-grade materials for safe use. You can get this complete set for $16.98. Working from home doesn't have to mean sitting all day. The Sperax 3-in-1 walking treadmill pad fits easily under a desk, letting you stay active while answering emails or joining meetings. Its upgraded low-noise servo motor keeps things quiet so you won't disturb calls or coworkers. You can switch between walking, light running, or vibration modes, with 4 adjustable vibration levels to add intensity when you want to boost calorie burn. The LED display clearly shows your time and speed, and you can control everything through the remote or the companion app. Despite supporting up to 350 pounds maximum capacity, the unit itself is lightweight and easy to slide away for storage. The widened belt area gives you more space to move comfortably and safely. You can bring movement back into your daily routine for $169.97. The Z-less weighted vest gives you steady, evenly distributed weight that stays secure whether you're running, doing strength training, or body weight exercises. Filled with iron sand and built with durable neoprene fabric, it's designed to handle repeated intense sessions. Padded shoulder straps help reduce friction so you can move comfortably without constant adjustments. The adjustable buckle system fits a wide range of chest sizes, keeping the vest stable as you train. It also includes detachable front zip pockets for your phone or keys, plus a rear mesh pocket for added convenience. You can level up your training for $50.98. A blank wall is an opportunity. This set of 2 Hubro floating shelves adds both storage and character without overwhelming the space. Each shelf measures 15.7 inches long and features a rustic coffee finish that blends easily with bathrooms, bedrooms, kitchens, or offices. Built with thick boards and sturdy double-tube iron brackets, each shelf supports up to 22 pounds, making them perfect for photos, small plants, books, or decorative pieces. The hidden bracket design keeps the look clean and minimal, so your decor stands out. You can refresh your walls for $17.99. Cleaner water shouldn't mean more plastic in your kitchen. This water drop glass filter pitcher combines a sleek, eco-conscious design with certified filtration performance. Made from high-quality glass with a durable inner liner, it helps reduce plastic use while keeping your water tasting fresh. Its 5-stage filtration system targets chlorine, mercury, copper, cadmium, PFOA, PFOS, and unwanted odors, delivering noticeably cleaner water without altering total dissolved solids. The included filter is certified under NSF/ANSI 42, 53, and 372 standards, giving added confidence in both contaminant reduction and lead-free materials. You can upgrade your daily hydration for $44.48. Ceiling lighting doesn't have to be basic. These Govee 6-inch smart recessed lights bring full color control and adjustable white tones into a clean, built-in design. With direct Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you get a stable connection without needing extra hubs. Choose from 16 million colors, or adjust warm to cool white between 2,700 and 6,500 Kelvin, depending on whether you're relaxing or focusing. The Govee Home app unlocks 65 preset scene modes inspired by nature and holidays, plus music modes that react to sound. You can group multiple lights together for synchronized control across a room, or manage them individually. They also work with Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free commands, making it easy to change brightness or color instantly. You can modernize your space for $109.99. Tracking progress goes beyond just seeing a number on the scale. The Posture Smart Body Composition Scale uses 8 electrodes to deliver a more detailed analysis, measuring up to 28 metrics including body fat percentage, BMI, and more. It gives you a broader picture of your overall health, not just your weight. Advanced sensors and built-in algorithms help improve measurement accuracy, so you can monitor changes with greater confidence over time. After each session, the integrated voice feedback announces your results instantly, saving you from leaning down to check the display. With Bluetooth connectivity, your data syncs directly to your phone, making it easy to track trends or share information with family members or healthcare professionals. Suitable for home or gym use, it adds a smarter layer to your routine. You can upgrade your health tracking for $89.99. Cracking eggs shouldn't turn into a balancing act. The Peleg design, Yolkfish Separator lets you lift the yolk cleanly away from the white in seconds. Just squeeze the silicone body, place the lips over the yolk, release to suction it up, then squeeze again to drop it where you need it. No shell swapping, no broken yolks, no mess on the counter. It's made from food-grade, non-stick silicone, and is dishwasher safe, so cleanup is effortless. Whether you're baking meringues, making custards, or prepping a fluffy omelet, it speeds up the process and keeps things precise. Small, playful, and surprisingly useful, it's one of those tools you'll keep reaching for. You can add it to your kitchen for $14.90. A bathroom upgrade can completely change your daily routine. This smart toilet with built-in bidet combines automatic features and comfort-focused details for a truly modern experience. The lid opens as you approach and closes when you leave, while the foot sensor allows hands-free flushing for better hygiene. It includes a heated seat, instant warm water wash, and adjustable warm air drying, making colder mornings far more comfortable. The self-cleaning nozzle, automatic deodorization, and pre-wet bowl function help keep everything fresher. A foam shield reduces splashes and unwanted odors, adding another layer of cleanliness. With a built-in tank and pump-assisted flush, it delivers consistent performance even in homes with low water pressure. Dual flush options help conserve water, and the remote control plus soft nightlight add convenience. You can transform your bathroom setup for $799.99. Reaching high shelves or adding an extra seat shouldn't feel unstable. The Delxo 17.5-inch folding stool is built with reinforced locking pins and fixed hinges to prevent collapsing while in use. A built-in safety gap helps protect fingers during folding, and rounded corners reduce accidental bumps. Its internal structural design supports up to 400 pounds, giving adults solid, reliable support. The textured top surface and non-slip rubber feet provide strong grip on kitchen, bathroom, or outdoor floors. Unlike standard models, it features a movable handle that makes carrying and folding safer and easier. When not in use, it folds down slim, saving over 90% of storage space, so you can slide it into a closet or corner effortlessly. You can add this practical helper to your home for $24.68. Long hours sitting can slowly turn into constant discomfort. The Bliss-Trends seat cushion is designed with an ergonomic contour that helps reduce pressure on the tailbone and hips while promoting better posture. Whether you're working at a desk, driving, or traveling, it adds noticeable support where you need it most. Its 4.7-inch thick, high-density memory foam provides a balance of softness and stability, maintaining its shape even after extended use. The breathable velvet cover is removable and machine washable, while the non-slip bottom keeps the cushion securely in place on office chairs, car seats, or wheelchairs. It fits most standard seats, making it easy to move between home, office, or travel setups. You can improve your daily comfort for $21.99. Charging your watch every night gets old fast. This fitness smartwatch is built for endurance, delivering up to 30 days of use on a single charge and up to 100 days on standby. It pairs with both iPhone and Android, and even lets you answer Bluetooth calls directly from your wrist while receiving message and app notifications. It tracks heart rate, sleep stages, blood oxygen, and stress around the clock, giving you a clearer view of your health. With over 120 sport modes and water resistance, it's ready for workouts, swimming, or daily activity. The bright 1.85-inch display supports hundreds of customizable watch faces, so it matches your style as easily as your routine. You can get all these features for $51.99.